Have you ever wondered how super drinks can improve your focus and creativity? Welcome to the intriguing world of super drinks, the beverages that promise to supercharge your brain and unlock your creative potential. These aren't your average morning cup of joe or afternoon energy drink. Super drinks are specially formulated blends, packed with nutrients and bioactive compounds designed to enhance cognitive function and boost creativity. Imagine sipping a drink that doesn't just quench your thirst but also sharpens your focus, clears your mental fog, and sparks your creativity. Sounds like a dream? Well, that's the magic of super drinks. However, it's crucial to remember that while these drinks can provide a mental boost, they're not a substitute for a balanced diet and regular exercise. Think of them as the cherry on top of your healthy lifestyle. So, are you ready to dive deeper into the science behind these super drinks? Well, buckle up, it's time to boost your brain power. How exactly do these super drinks work their magic on our brains, you may ask? Well, let's dive right into the fascinating science behind these brain-boosting beverages. First off, super drinks are typically packed with powerful antioxidants. These little heroes are known to combat oxidative stress, a process that can damage brain cells over time. By fighting off this damage, antioxidants help to maintain the health and functionality of our brains. This means we can think clearer, focus better, and even boost our creativity. Now let's talk about caffeine. It's a familiar ingredient to most of us, often playing a starring role in our morning brew. But caffeine does more than just wake us up. It actually stimulates our central nervous system, increasing alertness and improving reaction times. So, if you've ever felt more focused after a cup of coffee, that's the caffeine at work. Another common ingredient in super drinks is L-theanine, an amino acid found in green tea. L-theanine is known to promote relaxation without causing drowsiness. When combined with caffeine, it can help to smooth out the energy boost, reducing any jitters and promoting sustained focus. But don't just take our word for it. Numerous studies back up these claims. For instance, a study published in the Journal of Nutrition found that participants who consumed antioxidants showed improved memory function. Similarly, a study in the Journal of Psychopharmacology found that L-theanine and caffeine together improved both speed and accuracy on cognitively demanding tasks. It's also worth mentioning that super drinks often contain vitamins and minerals essential for brain health. For example, B vitamins are crucial for energy production and cell metabolism, while minerals like magnesium play a key role in nerve function. So, as we can see, the ingredients in super drinks are not just a bunch of random elements thrown together. They are carefully chosen for their brain-boosting properties. And with the right blend of these ingredients, super drinks can indeed enhance our focus, creativity, and overall brain performance. So, the next time you reach for a super drink, know that you're not just quenching your thirst, but also fueling your brain with the nutrients it needs to function at its best. So, let's recap what we've learned about these potent concoctions. Super drinks, these magical potions, are not your everyday beverages. They're packed with nutrients that enhance your brain's performance, boosting your focus, and sparking your creativity. Imagine being able to concentrate on a task without constantly checking your phone, or coming up with innovative ideas at the snap of your fingers. These drinks can help you get there. They're not magical cures, but they certainly give your brain the fuel it needs to perform at its best. Alongside these super drinks, let's not forget the importance of a balanced diet and regular exercise. They're the pillars of overall brain health and should never be overlooked. The next time you feel your focus waning or your creativity drying up, remember the power of super drinks. But as always, moderation is key. Too much of anything is never a good thing.